So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit text sized here or text size, my apologies, here in Design Wizard. So once you're into Design Wizard, you first off have to add some text into your design. So for example, if you're on the My Items tab, just go down to the bottom and press on the text option right here. I'm just going to go ahead and press on Add a Heading to add some text into your design. Now, the simplest way to do it actually, I'll just drag this more so in the middle, is to actually just press on the text right here, go to one of the corners, then you can just drag it, as far or as small as you want. So if you drag it, further out, you make the text size larger. If you drag it further to the right, you make the text size smaller. Whatever the case may be, that's probably the simplest way to do it as well. But another way you can do it also is if you just press on the text right here, get this top bar to open up right here. And this number right here is font size. If you were to go ahead and press on this drop down, you can do the exact same thing, making it as large or making it as small as you may wish. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit the text size here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.